What's up, friends, and welcome back to my channel once again. So this is our part 2 of our super prediction for today, being Sunday. Moments ago, or minutes or hour ago, I shared with you the part 1 of our football predictions, and I told you guys in that video that I'm going to still share with you the part 2 of our football prediction for today. But in this particular video, I told you guys that this particular ticket that I'm about to share with you guys is going to contain only over markets. Okay, so I'm here to deliver what I have for you guys for this particular period. Okay, so welcome back again to my channel. This is Football Picks. I'm here to share with you my betting insights and football prediction for today, Super Sunday. Okay, as usual, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, ensure to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video. And if you have not joined our Telegram channel, the link is pinned in the video description of the video. You are missing out if you are not in our Telegram channel, because we are winning back to back in our Telegram channel. Okay, so here I'm having 2 tickets for you guys, all over markets. My advice to you is that you should select the one you think that is okay for you, then you place your bet. The 2 tickets are 2 plus odd each. Just select the one you like and place your bet. That's my only advice and my professional advice for you. Okay, so guys, let's get down to business. So in the first slip here, we have total odds of 2.02 odd according to Sportybet. Then we have the first game from the Germany Bundesliga 2. We have a match involving S-Badge versus Jan Regensburg. So my prediction here is over 1.5 match total goals. The odd is 1.19. Then the next game is from the Turkish Super League. We have Fenerbahce Istanbul versus Trabzonspor. So my prediction here is over 1.5 match total goals to be scored at the odd of 1.15. Moving forward to the next game from the Poland Super League, we have a match involving Pogoń Szczecin versus GKS Katowice. So my prediction here is over 1.5 match total goals to be scored at the odd of 1.18. Then lastly in this ticket is a game from the Peru Main League. We have a match involving Sport Boys Association versus Los Chancas. So my prediction here is over 1.5 goals to be scored. The odd is 1.25. So if you combine the 4 games I just mentioned now, it gives you odd of 2.02 odd according to Sportybet. The code for the game is boldly displayed in front of your screen. Moving forward to the next ticket, which is the second ticket and my last ticket on YouTube for today. But before I do that, before I call out this particular ticket, if you're still here to subscribe to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please click the subscribe button, like and share the video. By so doing, you are encouraging me to do more and to provide good and valuable betting tips for you guys. So in this particular slip, we have total odd of 2.25 odd. Okay, according to Sportybet, this odd might vary in your own bookmaker. So we have the first game from the French League 1. We have Lens versus Saint-Étienne. So my prediction here is over 1.5 match total goals to be scored at the odd of 1.20. Then coming up next in the ticket is Atalanta versus Lazio from the Italian Serie A. So my take on this game is over 1.5 match total goals to be scored. Then we have Marseille versus Toulouse from the French League 1. So my prediction here is match total goals to be over 1.5 match total goals. Then lastly here is from the Hungary Main League. We have a match involving Pukas Academy versus MTK Budapest. So my prediction here is over 1.5 match total goals to be scored. The odd is 1.19. So if you combine the 4 games I just mentioned now, gives you odd of 2.25 odd according to Sportybet. The code is already displayed in front of your screen. So guys, these are my honest prediction and betting insight for the over market for today. My advice to you, just pick from this selection and place your bet. It's never a must you have to bet the 2 selections. Just the one you like or the game you think that is going to come through for you, you can just select that particular slip. Okay, just select that particular slip and place your bet. But if you find the games very interesting, you have every right to place your bet, okay? But my advice to you is take what you can afford to lose and gamble responsibly. This is sports betting. Anything is bound to happen. Like I said, these are my honest prediction for you guys, okay? And if you're watching me up to this moment and you have not subscribed to the channel, please, please, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. By so doing, you are telling YouTube to recommend this video to another person, okay, who is also in need of it, okay? I wish us the very best of luck, and I wish you the very best of luck. See you guys in my next video. Bye for now.